Hello everyone, I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on Voya, chat, call and group apps. So simply tap on the open button. So you can see this is the interface, meet friends nearby. So you will find a nearer friend. So I'm just going to tap. So you can create your account two ways. Like sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, and only register user login. So I'm going to create my account with Google. So simply tap here. Then you have to, so I already choose my Gmail account, so it's loading now. You just need to wait, and here you can see, like, you can say your gender, you can change it, give it, and you can invitation code if you have. So once you tap confirm, then match most suitable user. So simply tap start. So your device has an issue, complete registration with a facial scan. So you have to scan your face. So I'm just going to choose it. You have to scan your face, then you can create an account. It's really easy.